ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to BREAKZ on MX24 TV. My name is Daphne Flashley. As I always say, there is one Daphne in town. Yes, every Daphne is fake. I'm telling you, trust me. I'm telling you that. Well, I have an exclusive interview with Richie Mensah, and I'm excited because how time flies. This one bounced me from Hitmaker. He caught me that I was rapping someone's rap. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited for this reunion. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Daphne.
How are you doing?
I am awesome. Nice to see that, you've made it even after my bouncing.
Can you even imagine? Oh, and then let me tell you, when you bounced me, I went to the bathroom at Achimota Retail Center and I cried.
Oh.
I said, Richie has bounced me.
Oh, it's not easy.
But don't worry, he'll see.
One day, you'll be interviewing him.
And you're here. It's so exciting to have you here.
Thank you.
Before that, congratulations on hitting 40.
I'm on the fourth floor now.
On the fourth
awesome.
floor. How are you feeling? Has your walkings changed? Has everything changed?
Oh, some small pain in my hip has changed the
Oh,
walking.
no!
No, it's amazing.
Wow.
It's amazing. I think for me, when I was young, I always set 40 as a target. When I was young and I heard life begins at 40, I took it to World Cup. So I wanted
But you actually did took your World Cup.
Yeah,
because look at what you've done at 40.
Exactly.
You said that I'm starting this and I'm going to make sure that I retire at 40.
Yeah.
And you retired with amazing things. And one amazing thing is Lynx Reverb. You brought us Lynx Reverb,
yes.
which is 1499.
1499.
You Richie,
dot
I know.
99.
I know that Trixie agreeing. Because when I was watching the video and I saw 1499, I said, ooh, only 149. Oh, then I'm going to buy it. After me say 1499.
I saw somebody even saying 14.99. I don't mind.
So the person asked you, cash or wo?
Momo.
So let's see. Well, let's talk about Lynx Reverb.
Yeah.
Why did you decide to enter this initiative of Lynx Reverb? Because there are so many headphones, that people use. But what makes Lynx Reverb different?
I mean, it starts from everybody knows me as a producer and a music enthusiast. So I realized that in my journey of producing, anytime I wanted to get the right sound, the right headphones, I had to spend a lot of money because the headphone market is divided into two. There's the premium headphones that are very expensive that nobody can afford. And then there's the very affordable one that nobody wants to use because the quality isn't good. So I thought, what if I could create premium headphones and make it affordable for Ghanaians?
Yeah.
You get me? Because people deserve to enjoy sound the right way. And one thing, especially in my self-development journey, I know that clarity and focus are so important. So I wanted something that gives people that clarity. So that's how the journey began for me.
That's how the journey began. How long did it take you to produce all of that? When did you start planning?
So it took about 3 years of back and forth, and then rejecting the model, and I don't like the sound, and then no, I don't like the volume, I know the bass is not good. So a lot of back and forth. I believe in excellence. So with everything, I want to make sure we get it right. So about 3 years to create the Lynx Reverb, and then once the Lynx Reverb was ready, we started creating the Lynx Octave speaker, which is coming soon.
Oh my goodness, we've not finished buying Lynx Reverb.
More is coming.
The first time I heard of Lynx Reverb was when I saw Lali and Lola holding it.
Okay, yeah.
And I said, okay, wow. And you know how Lali and Lola too are, they're very, so I heard them talking, and the Lynx Reverb. I said, okay, this is nice. And then you've also gone ahead to, give it to other people to test it and see. The streets of Accra, you even went there to test it. And I think it is an exciting thing for you to do. But as a user so let's say you've come to me and then we've had the conversation. I said, okay, finally, Richie, I'll buy it. What am I expecting to feel? What am I hearing?
So I made sure that the Reverb headphones are premium. So I can keep talking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I made sure the Reverb headphones are premium. So anything you expect to find in premium headphones, I've taken it a step higher. So for instance, the touch features are perfect, from the swipe up for volume, swipe down to bring the volume down, swipe forward and back to change the sound, tap to pause. The features are perfect. I know a lot of people enjoy when they are listening to music, they want to be in their own space. So I made sure the ANC, the active noise cancellation, is superb. Like if, there's an earthquake cry, you won't hear it. But just for safety reasons, we have 3 modes. So there's the full ANC, which cancels all noise. Then there's the pass-through where you can hear a bit, and then you can turn it off for when you want to be able to hear the environment. The headphones itself has amazing bass. It has a very comfortable fit for the gym lovers so that, it's very comfortable and it stays on. You can run 10 miles on it and it's never going to fall off or anything. That's why it took 3 years. We had to tinker till we got every feature just the way that we wanted it.
Yeah. Why the price 1499?
1499.
1499 sounds like a song.
Everything I do sounds like a song.
Charlie, why 1499? Like, did you look at the market and say that okay, this is a perfect price range?
Yeah. So you see, most premium headphones in Ghana are costing over 4,000 cedis. I remember before creating the Lynx Reverb, the last headphones that I bought cost me 5,500 or something like that. I know, right? Because I wanted a certain quality and the lower ones weren't giving me that quality. So what I've done is I've matched the quality of the very expensive headphones and brought it to a reasonable price that most people can afford. If I had my way, it would be much, much more affordable even, but to get the quality that we wanted, we couldn't go below that amount.
Some people don't take sound lightly, especially when they buy headphones.
Yeah.
A perfect example is me. Listen, do you know that if I'm in the gym and I have my headphones on, by the time I realize I've done 1 hour of the stairmaster.
Exactly.
And so with this, how important is audio performance to someone who is going to buy it? And why do you think that your audio performance when it comes to Lynx Reverb stands out?
See, audio is everything. Audio is the way you communicate to emotions. So that's the reason when you are in the gym, wearing the headphones allows you to be able to go longer because it puts your heart at ease.
Yeah.
At least for what my journey, my over 20 years journey in this industry has taught me the importance of audio. So I just always want to make sure every product I'm putting out there gives people that experience and an experience that they won't forget anytime soon too.
Yeah. You've spent so much time, as you say, 20 years in the industry. So you were 20 when you joined the industry?
No, I was actually 17.
When you did, you know the name, right?
No, when my first time my music was played on radio, I was 19.
19?
Yeah.
Which song was that?
That was Scientific, Africa Unite.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to say, I'm feeling intoxicated.
No, that time I was 21.
That one you were 21.
And then I was
you
growing
were
small.
that young.
Yeah,
okay, that explains why I was in class 4. But then, I mean, with you being in the industry for so long, and producing this, how important is it for artists to get linked up with Lynx Reverb? Because you've worked with so many artists, and sometimes for an artist to get in their bag to produce good music, what is on their ear is actually very important. So how important is that?
One thing I keep preaching is you need to create solutions per your region. So what is happening is we don't have Africans, or let me say Ghanaians, creating solutions for Ghana. So most of the headphones that we are using were created by foreigners. It was, and they were creating it for their type of music. They were creating it for their environment. Do you get me? But I am trying to create something that the Ghanaian can enjoy premium on. You get me? A Ghanaian-owned electronics brand. Something that we can hold dear. So for an artist who wants to enjoy their Afrobeats and enjoy that deep bass and enjoy the way a Ghanaian should, all the sound like electronics that I'll be bringing out is skewed towards that to make sure you enjoy it as a real African.
This Lynx Reverb wants me to go back to music. Should I audition? Is it too late?
Right there. Rap for me.
So that you catch me again. No, we're not doing that. And so talk to us about where we're going to find Lynx Reverb and even how that partnership with Compute Ghana came about. Yeah.
I mean, I've always respected Compute Ghana. So I remember in the beginning we had a plan of distributing everywhere. But once we had the meeting with Ghana and they said they loved the product and they wanted to do exclusive, I felt like, okay, if such a strong brand like is trusting in our brand on our first product, I think that's a relationship that I'll be interested in. So we decided to do exclusive with them as our distributor. I mean, you can also buy directly from us on the website, or if you have my number, you can call me, or if you ever see me on the street, because I'm a hustler, you can buy from me. But aside that, every other way is through Ghana. So they distribute for us nationwide.
Richie, your Father Christmas, do you know why?
Hey, why?
Because you've decided to have a nice partnership with MX24 TV.
Right.
Yeah, so that's why I call you Father Christmas. Because you're sharing Lynx Reverb to listeners and people who watch MX24 TV. Let's talk about that. How can someone win Lynx Reverb? Let's do that.
As for how they'll win, I'll leave that to you guys.
Aye.
I trust you to choose the right people.
Right.
Once you choose the right people, I will make sure they get the right sound.
Let's talk about your partnership with MX24. How did it come about?
I mean, MX24 is an amazing brand. Let me shout him out. Antoine is an amazing guy. He's always very diligent on the work that he does. So when he and I were speaking and he told me about what you guys were doing for the World Cup, I was like, okay, this is something that I can also get behind and we can see how we can, work together. I like partnerships. I believe in working together to get greater results.
Okay. So guys, listen, if you want to win something on Lynx Reverb, let me state it emphatically here, please. So that you say, Daphne, I did it, and no. Let me state it here. So what you have to do is obviously be a watcher of MX24. And I'm not just talking about TV, I'm talking about online too, all right? And then you have to check out the MX24 World Cup playlist on your preferred streaming platform, which is TV, online, on air, on wherever. We are included too. Exactly. And remember to listen in with the new Lynx Reverb headphones when you win it. And this is how you're going to win it. You can win a brand new Lynx Reverb headset, okay, in the MX24 World Cup trivia. So all you have to do is visit www.mx24sports.com to test your knowledge on football. Whoever tops the ladderboard weekly wins, right? So in the moment, I know that you're like, my headphones are not working, you're complaining too much. All you have to do is just go there. Sometimes you have to exert pressure. I mean, you just have to do that and then you will win yourself a brand new Lynx Reverb. If you win yourself Lynx Reverb, you've made it in life. Everything else, it matters. Richie, your last words to us, your last words to people who want to buy it but they are confused. They don't know if they should buy it or not because they say 1499. This one is still confused with 1.49. Like, I mean, what's their appetite? Please do.
I mean, I think anybody watching knows me. I hope you know me, or I've not done a good job. And you know that I'm very particular about sound and quality. So this journey into giving you the right sound, I take it very personally. So join the train, join the Lynx Pride. Yeah.
Richie, let's do something right now. Let's do a little ad, okay? So we're going to do, hey, this is Richie Mensah. Make sure you buy Lynx Reverb. Let's do that. Please look in the camera.
Today, I'm salesman now.
You went to sell like a crowd one. This one is... Let's go.
Okay. No introduction needed because you know the name, right? My name is Richie Mensah, the proud founder of Lynx. So you make sure you get a Lynx Reverb because that is clarity.
That is clarity. You have radio voice, you know that.
I do, man.
Yes.
One day I'll come and join you guys.
Oh. Well, my name is Daphne Flashley and we're coming to you live from Tigon Studios. My name again is Daphne Flashley. You can follow me on social media at the Daphne Flashley on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. As I always say, I am the only Daphne. Every other Daphne is fake. Ask their mother. Anyway, we'll come your way same time with more amazing one-on-one conversations right here on MX Breaks. Signing out. Bye-bye.